Once again, a government shutdown was averted with little time to spare. On Thursday, Congress passed a stopgap funding bill which will keep the government open for business for a little while longer. Let's get into it. Before we begin, remember to like this video and subscribe for more economic updates. The Senate voted first, passing the measure by a margin of 77 to 18. Later in the day, the House passed the bill by a margin of 314 to 108. This latest piece of legislation ensures Washington stays in business until early March. This newest continuing resolution pushes out what had been the dual funding deadlines of January 19th and February 2nd to March 1st and March 8th. The Commerce Department reported this week that housing starts dropped in December for the first time in 4 months. Overall starts of residential units fell to an annualized rate of 1.46 million, a decline of roughly 6.5% from November, but not as much as the 8% drop that economists had projected. We learned Wednesday that the sentiment among home builders is surging right now according to the latest reading of the Housing Market Index from the National Association of Home Builders. Heading into the week, economists polled by the Wall Street Journal were expecting to see that the index climb just 2 points higher than last month's measure of 37. Instead, it came in 7 points higher to land at 44, its best result in 4 months. The chairman of the NAHB attributed better sentiment among home builders to improvement in the mortgage market, saying, "Lower interest rates improved housing affordability conditions this past month, bringing some buyers back into the market after being sidelined in the fall by higher borrowing costs." Finally this week, the Commerce Department had a surprise for those expecting a more modest holiday shopping season at the cash register, reporting that retail sales in December climbed 0.6 of a point month over month. Year over year, retail sales were up a sizable 5.6% over December 2022. Additionally, for all of 2023, retail sales rose by 3.2% over 2022. Still, there remains some doubt among analysts, with economist Oren Klatchkin of Nationwide Insurance saying, "We think this narrative will persist in early 2024, but then lose steam as the job market deteriorates." That's all for now. We'll be back on Monday with more updates. This is Devlin Steele for Augusta Precious Metals, signing off.